Hello guys, I'm Bhumi Yagnik. Welcome to Way to Connect. Today I'm sharing very easy, very delicious, filling and healthy recipe using vegetables you have in your hand and a couple of first and last slices of bread which nobody wants to eat. I get good quality of whole grain bread, and with this top and bottom of these slices, I usually make croutons out of this. But today I thought to make something different. So let's get started with the recipe. So here I have some bread slices, I have baby spinach, shredded cabbage, and besides that I have some green onions. I'll be using also 1 carrot. You can use any vegetables you have in your hand. I'll be also using garbanzo beans to add some protein in the recipe. You can use any type of beans or lentils of your choice, or you can even skip it. I'm heating my cast iron pan and adding 1 tablespoon of cold pressed peanut oil. Meantime, let's cut our bread into small pieces and set aside. I have details in the description box, guys, so don't forget to check it out. Now our oil is heated. Let's add mustard seeds to it and a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now I'm adding some curry leaves and a pinch of hing to it. After that, let's add our shredded cabbage and mix it well. Keep the flame low to medium and let's cut our spinach. Now let's add our spinach to this. Now add some green onion and keep some for garnishing later. Mix it all well. Keep stirring and cook it for 2 minutes. On the side, let's get our garbanzo beans ready. Drain out the water from the can and let's wash our garbanzo beans before we add it to the vegetables. Our vegetable looks good. Let's add garbanzo beans to it and mix well. Now let's add salt per taste. Teaspoon of turmeric powder, and teaspoon of chili powder, and a teaspoon of coriander powder. I'm also adding crushed red pepper to it for extra spicy flavor. It tastes really good with this crushed pepper, but if you don't like spicy, you can skip it. Mix everything really well. It's looking good. Nice color, flavor, smell, looks good. Now I'm adding 1 carrot to this. Now you can add 1 small tomato, or I'm using tomato ketchup. I'm using 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. It's almost ready. Let's add 2 tablespoons of water to this because we're gonna add bread pieces and it's gonna soak all the water from the vegetables. So let's add some water. We don't want too dry, so it's nice and wet. Let's add our bread. Now mix everything really well. And we're pretty much done. Combine everything together. It looks good, guys. Try it out. Missing cilantro, the coriander leaves here. If you have it, sprinkle it over. It tastes really good. And now let's serve it hot. Let's add spring onion to this. It's very tasty and healthy. Guys, try it out. Let me know how it turned out for you. And if you like the recipe, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.